How to connect a custom domain to Google Sites. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how we can connect our own custom domain to Google Sites. Now, Google Sites is one of the easiest ways to build your own website in under 5 to 10 minutes. You can get started with a template or get started from scratch. However, to elevate the overall appearance of your Google site, you can use your own custom domain. Now, why should you use your own custom domain and why should you use GoDaddy to purchase your domain? Well, if you go into your publishing options with Google Sites, you guys can see if we take a look at our publishing options, we get a sites.google.com domain. Wanting to build their own brand identity, if you want your brand to be memorable, then you probably do not want a site.google.com domain. Instead, you might want your own domain. And you guys can see this is our publishing option and this is our web address. So it's sites.google.com/view/spencer.o. Now, although this is an alright domain for a test website, for our own published website, I would prefer to have a domain by GoDaddy. Now, why would I suggest GoDaddy? Because if you go onto GoDaddy and you find a domain, you find the term that you want to find your domain for, you're going to find some of the best deals available. For a couple of cents, you can get started with your own custom domain. Now, renewal fees are a different thing. Your first year on GoDaddy can be for as low as $10, but after that, you do have to pay a bit more. Usually their renewal fees range around the $30 to $100 mark, but depends on whatever type of domain you have. So you can purchase your domain with GoDaddy. Now, I have purchased my domain and I'm going to go into my products in my account and we're going to connect our custom domain to Google Sites. So this is our domain, which is called thespencer.site. And once we open this up, you guys can see this is what it looks like. I'm going to go into domain on the left. Now I'm going to go back into Google Sites, and once you go into Google Sites, you will have your publishing settings opened up. If you don't know how to open those up, when you open up your Google site for publishing, before you publish it, you guys can see that you have your publish button on the top right, and you can click on review changes and publish or publish settings. Click on the publish settings option, and this is what's going to pop up, which is a dialog box. Now, in this particular box, you want to click on custom domain. So you're going to click on custom domains and then click on start setup. Then you're going to type in your domain. So my domain is thespencer.site. And once we do that, this will say this domain is not verified. Verify your ownership. So you're going to click on this where it says verify your ownership, and this will open up the Google Search Console. Now over here, you're going to enter your domain under the domain section and then click on continue. And it's going to begin checking your verification. So for that, it's going to give us instructions. Now you can see it has automatically detected that I have used GoDaddy as the tool to purchase my domain. So it's asking for instructions for GoDaddy, but if you want any DNS provider, you can get those as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with GoDaddy, and then I'm going to click on start verification. This will open up a new tab and it's going to show me Domain Connect, and it's going to open up GoDaddy. And I'm just going to click on Connect over here. Once I click on Connect over here, Google Search Console can now verify if this is my domain. And with GoDaddy and Google Search Console, it only takes like 5 minutes to 10 minutes at max to just get your domain up and running. Now, once it has verified that this domain does belong to you, then you can link it to your site. Now, this may take a minute, so you can grab a cup of coffee in the meanwhile while your domain is being loaded up. And you guys can see your ownership has been verified. And now I'm going to click on done. Then I'm going to go back into my Google Sites and then click on start setup. Then I'm going to type in thespencer.site. And then click on next. Once I do that, you guys can see I have to connect to my third-party registrar. And over there, I do have to change the DNS settings. So you're going to open up GoDaddy or whatever domain name provider you have, and then click on Manage DNS or Domain Settings. And then we're just going to click on DNS. And in our DNS management, we're going to create a new record. So we're going to go into DNS over here. Not DNS, actually. You can go back. Yeah, and in your domain portfolio, open up DNS. And after that, we're going to click on Add New Record. So in a separate tab, you have to go into your DNS settings and create a new CNAME entry, which is this, like this. You're going to select CNAME. Then under the CNAME value or alias, enter www. So value or alias, yeah. Value or alias, here we have it. We're going to add www. In the CNAME destination, we're going to enter this. And you do have to include the period at the end. And we're going to click on copy. And yeah, in the CNAME destination, like so. And then we're going to click on save on the bottom right. Once we click on save over here, it's going to begin updating our DNS records. And you guys can see you get a notification that most DNS updates take effect within an hour, but sometimes it can take 48 hours. That's like the max it can take. Once you've entered this, you're going to click on done. And now it's assigning domain. And just like that, our domain has been connected. Once I do that, I can click on publish on the top right. And then this site is also viewable at thespencer.site. And now our new website is ready. So all I have to do is go into publishing like so, click on save, and our website has now been published. And this is our published site. This is the Google Sites domain, but the Spencer.site would be the same website as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. Also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.